In this video, I will be showing you how to fix the YouTube search bar not loading. Let's get started. I start by clicking on the search bar in my browser, typing YouTube, and pressing enter. From the search results, I click on the main YouTube link to open the site. Once YouTube opens, I move up to the top right corner of the Google Chrome browser and click on the three vertical dots menu. From the drop-down menu, I scroll down and click on Settings. On the left sidebar of the Settings page, I click on Privacy and Security. In the main panel, I click on Delete Browsing Data. A pop-up box opens showing browsing options. With the time range set to all time, I make sure browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files are checked, and then I click the blue Delete Data button. Once the browsing data is cleared, I go back to the left sidebar and click on Extensions. On the Extensions page, I notice an active VPN extension, so I click its toggle button to switch it off. Then, I close the Extensions tab to go back to YouTube. To make sure everything is working properly without any cached issues, I click the three dots menu at the top right of Chrome once again and select the new incognito window. In the incognito address bar, I type YouTube and press enter. I click on the YouTube link in the search results to open the homepage. Next, I click the Sign In button on the left panel. I select my email address and click Next. Then, I click the password field, type in my password, and click Next. YouTube loads up smoothly, signed in and with the search bar and homepage fully loaded and ready to use. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.